Prasoona is going to do 2 times table activity with the help of this fried gram, and she's going to write the answers, okay, in the box given. First she will tell 2 times table. Prasoona, go ahead and tell 2 times table, please. Prasoona. Okay, she's doing activity. Let us see. So 1 1 2 ones. 2 ones are how many, Prasoona? You have to hold this and write, okay, because this is paper. Okay, next. So tell. You have to open your mouth and speak, okay? Speak.
202.
You tell the timetable. 2 times table tell.
202.
It's a full tell up to 2 times.
202, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 12, 3
No, not 2 and 3. Don't confuse. 2 4s are 8.
2 4 are 8, 2 5s are...
Okay. You have learned 2. It's okay. 3 timetable you tell.
3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50, 6 are 80, 7 are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are
3 9s are
3 9s are 24,
27.
27, 3 10s are 30.
Okay. She's actually confused with 2 and 3 times table. Okay. Now let us remove her. Okay. This one. Okay. Next. 2 2s are. Please. 2 2s are. 2 2s. 2 times 2s. 2 2s are. 2 2s. 2s is 2 times. 2 2s are how many? How many fried gram is there? 1 2. Yes. Now 2 3s are. Okay. That we can no need to close every time the pen. Okay. Now 2 3s are.
2 3s are.
Next. 4 finished. No, next 2 3s are. Fast, Prasoona. This one. Fast, please make it fast. This one. 2 3s are no? 3. 2 3s are. 3 is 2 times. Two 3s are.
2 3s are.
I mean, 2 3s. 3s is 2 times. 2 3s are.
3s.
This is 3. This is 1 3. This is another
6,
3. Yes.
6.
How many? Count and see. I don't ask me. How many see? Count and see.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Repeated addition is multiplication. So 1 3 2 3. 2 3s are.
6.
Yes. Now you use this only for this 4. Put in this 4. 2 4s are. Now 2 4s. Fast. Make it fast. Video cannot be lengthy. This is 1 4. This is the second 4. This is 1 4s. Okay. This is 2 4s. Okay. 2 4s are.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
So 2 4s are what?
8.
Yet 2. Okay. 1 4 2 4. 2 4s together it is 8. Repeated addition is. Yes. Muta. No need of muta. No need of cap. Now you take do 2 5s. Here is 1 5. Here is another 5. Cap here is it. It is safe. Okay. No need to worry. First you do this activity. Make it fast, Prasoona. Make it fast. This is 1 5. 1 5s are 5. Okay. 2 5s. This is what? This is the second 5. 2 5s or. Yes. Count and tell me answer.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
So 2 5s are.
10.
Write down 10 in the box provided. You understood, no? Yes. Now 2 6. This one. This is 1 6. 1 6 or 6. Okay, 1 6 6. 2 6. Now do this. This one. You can put it over up also. Now this one. Prasoona, fast. Make it fast. This one. Wait. You can do the. You have to be careful. Okay. 5 finished. Okay, already. This is 6. 1, 2. Here you take. From here you take. Or then from here also you can take. Make it fast. Little more fast. Little bit fast. Here. This is 1 6. 1 6 or 6. Okay. Now this is 2 6. This is 2 times because we are taking 2 times. Okay. Understood, Prasunna, now? You understood the concept? Yes. This is 1 6. 1 6 is 6. 2 6.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12.
So 2 6 are
12.
12. Write down in the box provided. 12. Count what? How much you counted? 1 2 12.
1 2.
Yes. 2 7s are. Now you do this one. Prasanna, make it fast. Make it fast. Okay, I'm ending this video. We are going to continue till 2 10s are 20, and I will meet you with another video with 3 times table. Okay, thank you very much for joining. If you like the video, please like. Thank you very much. Prasanna, say thank you.
Bye.
Please like, share, subscribe.
Please subscribe.